What's poppin' YouTube world? Justin here again for a very quick tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at how to make basic 3D titles inside of After Effects. So we have After Effects open already. The first thing you're going to want to do is make a new composition. I'm going to make mine 1920 by 1080, and then we're going to right click, hit new, and make a new solid, then choose the color you want. This is basically just the background. Now we are going to make that a 3D layer, and then go ahead and put whatever text you want. I'm just going to write Visual Boulevard. Just going to center that up real quickly, and then put the anchor point in the middle as well, just in case. And you're going to want to make that text layer 3D as well, and you'll notice it disappears. But if you go into your position settings and track it forward, you will realize it's basically just hidden behind the background layer because we are working in 3D space now. Now go ahead and open up your geometry options on the text layer, and then you're gonna want to set the extrude depth to something around 35, and you'll notice a bit of depth is added to the text, but we can't really see it because we don't have a light. So right click, hit new, hit light, and then you have a few options. I'm just gonna make a spotlight, and then you wanna make sure cast shadow is selected. Hit OK, and you will notice right away that there is now a light, and we just want to move the position properties to our desired look. I'm just gonna move it back so it's kind of shining on the entire text. And now I can see that I actually want the text to be a little bit thicker 3D wise, so I'll just go ahead and extrude it a bit more. And now finally we can do some keyframing on the 3D text itself. So I'm just gonna set a keyframe at the start of the animation, move over a few seconds, hit another keyframe, go back to the first one, and then just drag the position back so that the text is actually moving behind the field of view. And then I'm just going to ease in and ease out the two position keyframes, and if we play it back, you'll notice the 3D text animates in from behind the camera, and you get this cool, smooth 3D text animation.